All of our stuff is packed away here, and we're leaving our caravan now. I never normally drink milk from a carton, but when there's that much left, and we're leaving in 5 minutes. It's really, really odd. You've got to strip all of the beds before you leave. We actually had we had 3 bedrooms. This is our 2nd bedroom. They're really tiny beds. So some of these beds were made before we got here. We've got 2 minutes now till we need to leave. We've got about 5 minutes until the bus is going to leave, and it seems really, really sad to be leaving there. And this is our last bus journey out of Haven. Our Wetherspoons breakfast was cut short by rain. It's gone so grey. That rain's definitely getting worse. I feel like no British holiday would be complete without a little bit of rain.
Why couldn't it rain the day it said it was going to rain?
So this is the first day that we've not had access to caravan, and we've just missed the train.
Raincoat.
Oh.
Got my head.
Your head fun.
I can't even see.
We're actually the total opposite end of the town, the train station as well. I don't want to go up that. It's still raining loads, and we're in this sheltered hut thing. So right behind me is the sea. And it doesn't look like the rain's going to stop. It's got sunny again in the past 2 minutes. The clock tower is over there. So we've got 10 minutes, we need to buy tickets. We've made onto the train now, and it's really, really quiet. It's virtually only us again inside this carriage. I can't believe how expensive these train journeys are. So our ticket was £16.30, I think, and the train journey is only 50 something minutes. The train's just left early. It's been so nice to go away this week. It's been really nice to have a break. So, how do you feel about travelling backwards on the train?
I don't know, I feel like if I If I don't look out the window, it's like alright.
Like you do need to do your travelling like this. The rain's come back now. It's so nice to get the train. We've just got home and it's been really nice to get away. Our first proper trip in ages. I'm really excited to get away a little bit more.